Good afternoon students. In this video we are going to see lateral wall of nose. This is the lateral wall of nose. This is the sagittal section of head and neck region. The lateral wall of nose is irregular due to presence of this concha. This lateral wall of nose, it separates the nose above from the orbit due to with the intervening these ethmoidal sinuses. In front there is lacrimal sac and nasolacrimal duct, and below there lies the maxillary sinus. Beneath here lies the maxillary sinus. This wall divided into three portions or three parts. The anterior most part, this is depressed area, is known as vestibule of nose, and there is a presence of short stiff hair known as vibrissae. Behind that, the middle portion is called as atrium, and this atrium is lined above by the ridge which is extends from the middle concha, and this is known as agar nasi. So this portion is atrium, and the posterior portion is shows the presence of the three conchae, and in between the concha there are spaces which are known as metastases. These are the metastases, these are the conchae. Now we will see about this posterior part. This one is the superior nasal concha, this is middle nasal concha, and this is the inferior nasal concha. This is the inferior nasal concha. Superior and middle nasal conchae, they are the bony projections from the labyrinth of ethmoid bone, and inferior nasal concha is a separate bone. They are curved bony parts which are directed medially and downwards. Now in between these there are the spaces known as metastases. This is the inferior meatus. Inferior meatus is largest one, situated below the inferior nasal concha, and here it shows the presence of or opening of nasolacrimal duct at the junction of anterior 1/3 and posterior